Hello guys, welcome back to Mom Life and Kala, and today we are crocheting this beautiful sunglasses cover. No wasting of time, let's start to round 1. Round 1 starts with a magic ring and we have to work 16 double crochets inside the ring. So this here I am making the first double crochet using the white yarn. I am going to be using 2 colors of yarns. So as I go through, I will be telling you when to switch with the colors, but for now we're starting with white yarn and I'm going to just work inside the ring with double crochets. After my 16 double crochets are done, I'm going to take off the stitch marker and stretch the tail of the yarn so that the round gets closed. Now I will slip stitch here and then chain 1. Now this is the time I will use the second color and attach a yellow yarn. You can use the choice of color of yarn you're trying to make. Now here I'm using the yellow yarn and then chain 1. Now starts the round 2 where I have to make an increase in every stitch. So in every double crochet you have made in round 1, you have to make an increase. So in every stitch you have to make 2 double crochets. Now by the end of round 2 you will have 32 stitches in total. Then again you have to slip stitch to join and then chain 1. Now here I am just completing the total stitches, making 2 double crochets in 1 stitch, and here you can see I have made the whole round. I am just slip stitching it. And now again I am going to change the color of the yarn. I will chain 1 using the white colored yarn. Now I will push through round 3. Round 3 begins with 1 double crochet in the first stitch, then an increase in the next stitch. So in the next stitch you have to make 2 double crochets, and similarly you have to follow this pattern throughout the 32 stitches. And in the end you will have 48 stitches in total. I am again making the last stitches and slip stitch to join and chain 1 using the yellow yarn. Now comes round 4. Round 4 is a little different. You have to chain 4 and then skip 1 stitch. Skip 1 stitch and single crochet in the next stitch. Now this will form a loop. Now throughout this round you have to make these loops using the yellow yarn. Chain 4, skip 1 stitch and single crochet in the next stitch. Completed. Here is my round 4. Now round 5 is exactly the same but with a white yarn. You will chain 1 and then repeat the same pattern. Chain 4 and then single crochet in the loop you've made with the yellow yarn. So we do not have stitches here, we have the loops. We just going to chain 4 and single crochet in the loops you've made. You can see. Now this round 5 will make another the loops with the white yarn. Now round 6. Now in round 6 you have to work in each loop. So you have to make 6 double crochet in the loop you've made in round 5 using the white yarn only. Once you've done 6 double crochets, then you have to make 1 single crochet and chain 1. You move to the next loop. Again you repeat. When you repeat you form these little petals and this makes your whole glass cover. Now here I am attaching yellow yarn to make the string that you can hang in your neck. I have made 100 chains here. You can increase or decrease as per your desired length. You can also use a lobster hook here if you want. If you do not want to hang it in your neck, you can use it as a keychain also. Use a lobster hook and you can attach this wherever you want, in your purse or somewhere else. Now when I've done the chains, I will just attach I'm just showing you here how I put my glasses. This is the back side, this is the front side. I am going to attach something to put it through. Here I'm just stretching it a little bit, giving the finishing touches, removing excess yarn. Now these are stitch buttons. I'm going to just stitch them using normal thread, and this is done. Now if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. You know the drill, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you later.